So DJI has changed the pricing policy for the Mavic 2 Enterprise, and it's sort of a big deal because it means anybody can potentially buy one now. Stick around. What's going on, everybody? I'm Original Dobo, and I do drone and tech related content. So if that's your thing, go ahead and hit the subscribe button at the end of this video. And if you already aren't, make sure you're following me on Twitter and Instagram. I do try to post there as frequent as possible. So today I got an email from Zach over at DroneWorks talking about the pricing policy changes on the Mavic 2 Enterprise. And he basically said they can now list the price on the website, which is something they weren't previously allowed to do. Now, the price of the Mavic 2 Enterprise is definitely more than the Zoom and the Pro. It's $19.99. But before they were allowed to do this, you used to have to call and actually talk to somebody and get a quote for pricing. Doesn't mean that the price was more or less. They sort of wanted to qualify the sale and make sure that the person purchasing it absolutely needed it or had an enterprise use case scenario for it. But to assist in bolstering sales, obviously, DJI did the right thing and is just allowing people to go ahead and purchase them. And I think that makes sense. A lot of times, if a business knows they need a product like this, they just want to go ahead and click order. So they don't typically want to talk to anybody. But when you do order from a distributor, just know that you are getting a white gloves experience. Similar to buying a vehicle or a car, you talk to the salesperson, you go for a test drive, they tell you about all the features and benefits about that product, and then you make your final payment. That's sort of how it is buying from a distributor when it comes to enterprise products. But now you can just go on the website, purchase it. So if that's something you guys were interested in, I know some of you have been asking me about how much it costs and what I think about it. Personally, I do like it. I like having the attachments. It's not totally practical from a consumer standpoint, but if you have any sort of enterprise use case scenarios that may potentially pop up, or if you're looking to make money from this drone, then maybe it's a good idea to go ahead and get it. Pretty sure we're going to see more attachments than just what we've seen already included with the Mavic 2 Enterprise. But anyways, I just wanted to go ahead and make this really quick video talking about that because so many of you have asked me about that. I felt like it was sort of an interesting move on DJI's part. Anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and sound off in the comments section below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And I will include an official link, an updated link to the Enterprise with the pricing available below for DroneWorks. And anyways, I don't have my Enterprise right now. I actually am letting Kelly Shores from Ready Set Drone use it. He wants to take a look at it, see what's different about this from the Mavic 2 Zoom. So my Enterprise is still in Texas. So but I know it's in good hands. Kelly's a great guy, and I look forward to seeing his thoughts and his video on the Mavic 2 Enterprise. But that's going to do it for today. Anyways, guys, stay original.